-15, and currently I'm in Kaunas. And I was showing you between wars architecture, which is called Art Deco, and which was popular in first independent Lithuania, and that's why it was called Little Paris, because of such cool architecture. Look at that. It's not really a secret, but I'm Lithuanian. And when I was living in Lithuania, the Kaunas being called as the most Lithuanian city in all Lithuania. But after they elected a mayor which was working for Russia and paying taxes for Russia, I'm not so sure about that. This is the breeze with which I grew up. -20, -25, sometimes -30. It was alright, and it was normal for us Lithuanians. And when I left England, it was only +8. And yeah, +15, not so bad. And this is the most famous building of Kaunas. This is the Kaunas Castle. As firstly, in the beginning, the Kaunas been built as a fortress to protect. And after, only on the 14th century, it became a town. And this is Vytis, the main monument of Lithuania, and it's on Lithuanian herb. But Kaunas was the first city who built this monument because Vilnius couldn't do it. Some kind of army parade. I don't know, but I saw different country flags, and I saw Lithuanian army flags. So yeah, in Kaunas I think it's a quite often thing. Look at that stone road. I think not so many countries in Europe have such a stone road. And this is the main square of Kaunas, and it's called Rotušės aikštė. Here I am at the Northern Europe fast food joint called Hasburger. It's very popular in northern countries like Finland, Lithuania, Latvia and other. And I ordered some fries, which looks a bit different from a standard burger places. And I got some kebab beef burger, which looks like that. And of course, at this photo side, I ordered some tea, black tea. So this is how a Northern Europe fast food joint looks. Probably this is the tallest church building in all Kaunas, because there's a hill like in Prague, and I'm going up some stairs, and then now I'm here on this basilica. Yeah, this is how it looks like, some old interwar period buildings and this beautiful church, Kaunas. Here I am after cold and winter weather. I arrived to my hometown, Mažeikiai. And what I think about Kaunas. Kaunas have such a great Lithuanian architecture, and it's been built by Lithuanians in interwar period, because our capital Vilnius was occupied and Lithuanians was trying to make most of it and make the most Lithuanian city. If I would compare it with the last two cities which I visited, it was Bratislava and Prague. Kaunas looking more like a Prague because of the hillside and some hill steps and everything. So yeah, I see you in the next one. I'm currently in my hometown and I film something about my hometown. If you like it, press the subscribe and the like button. See you in the next one.